if it's cobalt chrome or whatever the material is, so there's no casting degradation. When I was in Japan, they spoke about the milling oil that they used, and the cutting oil. I think it was every 2 weeks or something. I sent back to Sweden for analysis, for bacterial analysis, and then they modify it as they need to. And they go to such an extreme to make sure that the things are working efficiently. "24-hour quality controlled manufacturing processes." When the laboratories, when they design, they send them directly, it goes directly to the milling unit. There's no human intervention unless they ask for someone to get involved. So it goes directly to the machine, it's milled and then sent to the dispatch area to be dispatched back to the customer. Milling strategies and instruments are optimised to each material. We have different manufacturing strategies, different software for the different materials. It doesn't just use the one milling strategy for every material. With the NobelProcera, they all come with the certificate, the authenticity. There's a 5-year warranty. It's a no questions asked warranty. If any of you have a patient that comes in with a NobelProcera crown that's been manufactured anywhere, as long as it's genuine NobelProcera, and you have the certificate with the file name, the number that's on that, or you can access that information, it will be remade at no charge. But I must clarify what's remade. We remake the framework or the abutment, whatever it is. We do not remake the ceramics. We do not cover the ceramics. That's something that the technician has to do. So the warranty covers the frame that we manufacture, and it is no questions asked. It will be remade. Okay, to summarise the benefits: reduced labour time, no maintenance and upgrade of machinery for some of the labs. They don't have to stock the raw materials, the golds, etc. They don't need to invest in the machinery themselves. Okay, so in terms of materials, alumina. Ideal for cement retained solutions, highly translucent and strong, 600 to 700 megapascals, 99.5% pure aluminium oxide, biocompatible. John, where do you...
I mainly use them in the anterior region because they're more, just give more life to it, I think, and they're just a lot better, I think.
So for aesthetics and that sort of thing, alumina is the go?
Yeah. All I do is put zirconia in the anterior region as well, just depends on the case really.
Okay. Zirconia, cement and screw retained, 1120 megapascals average flexural strength. Either direct to fixture for veneering ceramic directly on top of it, conventional restorations, crowns, bridges, PIBs direct to the implant interface, milled out of a solid block material, biocompatible. The material, the zirconia that we use, yttrium stabilised zirconia. If anyone wants to note down, we have fact sheets which I have available with all the details on it. If anyone does want more information, it's on our website. We've got specifications about the materials. Titanium, once again for conventional crowns, conventional bridges, for PIBs, implant bridges. Titanium, cost efficient, it is light in weight, biocompatible, it's precision milled out of a solid block of titanium. It can be veneered with ceramic material or composite material, if people prefer. Some people even do full contour titanium temporary crowns. The titanium we use, where is it? It's not the ASTFM. Okay, there it is. TI6AL4V. This is type 4, I believe. Cobalt chrome alloy for ceramic veneering. Single units, conventional restorations, bridges, conventional restorations, no implants. We're not using cobalt chrome or non-precious to the implant interface. We don't believe in it. We don't want to go that way. We'd rather use titanium. We just don't believe in using non-precious to an implant interface. Once again, milled out of a solid block of cobalt chrome. No casting degradation. It's passive. Material type is a product from Dentorum called Romanium Star. It's a material that they had available for many years. It's available as a cast type material, but we use it out of a solid block. CAD, a temporary acrylic material, single units and bridges up to 6 units bridges. CAD is a product by Ivoclar. It's a PMMA acrylic. I think we say that on the next slide. It's a PMMA acrylic. Ivoclar have a kit of acrylic and composite that you can use. You can put a primer on and bond the composite to it if you wanted to link some together, or you wanted to repair something or modify the shape of it, or some people fabricate a temporary and then once they've done the preparation they then place a temporary. So they've already had it pre-fabricated. And then
it's quite good too. It looks like it's really good stuff, isn't it?
Yeah, I've got some here. If people want to come down and have a look at it later on. I've got some samples. It's a solid, dense material. It's only available in about 6 shades, but it is, it's quite all right. And you can also veneer over the top of it with acrylic or composite if you wanted to add extra colour. PMMA, water solubility 0.6. I think that's quite good. Emax, single units only for us. It's either available for as a copy mill product, so you wax it up and replicate that shape, or as a virtual design, computer design. So once again, just to summarise, alumina for best aesthetics, John zirconia for strength, and titanium, long-term provisionals or a cost-efficient final solution, either for composite or ceramic. Base metal cobalt chrome, cost-efficient for ceramic veneering. CAD, temporary acrylic, and Emax.
No 5-year warranty on that.
Thank you, correct. The CAD, we don't have a 5-year warranty on that. All the other materials we do. Implant platforms, Nobel Replace, Brennemark, Nobel Active, Straumann Bone Level, narrow crossfit, regular crossfit, Straumann Standard Plus, Astrotech in zirconia, and to point out that we use an MZ adapter, that's a metal zirconia adapter. And once again, I have samples of those here if people want to see what the metal zirconia adapter looks like. It's just an interface between the abutment and the actual implant. Titanium, Nobel Replace, Brennemark, Nobel Active, Straumann Bone Level, Straumann Soft Tissue Level, Astra and Tomin. And other implant systems are coming, of course. It's also for fixed bars with removable prostheses, which I have a fixed bar here, but I don't have the removable prostheses. For fixed hybrids, and I do have a fixed hybrid here if you want to come down and have a look at that at some stage. Highly versatile. It can, I've got a sample of one here where there's multiple implants and with varying angles, and it can't work magic, but it can accommodate some angulation issues, and then using the bar to correct those angulation issues. And I've got a sample of that here. And we're going to see this in the software later on, but you've got the overdensor over the top, fixed or removable. We have a preferred partner network with Ivoclar, Vita and Noritake for varying veneering materials, and we use their anatomies in our library. Just to say